This is TWiT.
So you heard our stumbled description of what this thing is actually doing, Serenity. Why don't you give us sort of the 30,000-foot view and tell us about the problem that it solves?
Yeah, Serenity is a client for the Plex media server. So you have a Plex media server. It can be running on Windows, Linux, Mac, or any of the even the network NAS drives can go through and support Plex as a server portion. Serenity is actually a client that connects to the Plex media server and lets you stream your videos, music, and TV shows to your Google TV device or a Android tablet. And I just recently tested this last night. It will also work on an Ouya as well.
Okay, so Android tablets, that'd be like the Galaxy and a bunch of other things like that?
Yeah, the one I tested it mainly on is Nexus 7, but it works on any tablet that has at least a 600 DPI width at portion to it. So it can even work on some of the tablets, like the Galaxy Note and the Galaxy Note 2 can also go through and run this as well.
Cool. And so I would use this if I have a lot of media and I have maybe a device attached to my big screen TV, or maybe I'm sitting there with a big tablet in bed watching videos. And is this actually Plex but adapted, or is this something that looks like Plex?
It's well, the way it came about was that the Plex has an official app for Google TV, and when I originally bought a Vizio Co-Star last August, put the Plex app on there. While it worked, the app itself was really a tablet app. It wasn't really optimized for viewing on a TV type experience. So the way Serenity came around was that I wanted a better experience for viewing on the Google TV. So I decided to write my own app that would go through and work the way that I thought it should go through and work on. And that plus, I also wanted to learn Android at the time, so it's a good opportunity for me to go through and scratch an itch I had. What I found as I was going through and developing it, that the same interface I had developed for it worked actually quite well on tablets as well. So that's kind of how it's evolved out from starting as a Google TV project out into a app that can run also on the tablets and also on the Ouya devices as well.